cleaning this brand new album that I have, and I'll be showing the different cleaning techniques I'll use to get various grades of cleanliness from the new album. I'll be using the carbon fibre brush, felt pad brush, microfiber cloth, and the spin clean. And I'll take before and after photos of each cleaning stage to show you how clean it's gotten since then. Enjoy the video. So basically, whenever you buy a new album, you should always give it a clean, because from factory they come in these paper sleeves and they just leave paper fibres all over it. It's just vital that you try and get rid of as much as you can, because you don't want damage in your stylus. And often they'll also come with a lot of static as well, so give them a good clean will prevent any pops and crackles, which is caused by static and dust. So you got your carbon fibre brush. That's usually just to remove surface dust. It's quite good. I personally think the felt pad will probably be the biggest difference. The microfiber cloth, which we'll be showing next, usually leaves behind dust as well. They say they're microfiber, but they always leave dust as well. So that's it there. And I'll be using a record cleaner spray that I picked up from my local store. And then you've also got the spin clean, which it's decent for home use. I'm thinking about getting a vacuum system soon. So I'll just show you so you can already see some fibres on there. I'll put up a video as well that actually shows a lot better. I use the flash on my phone because it does show it a lot better. It's just hard to see it because it is a black surface, but that is the best colour to see surface dust. Carbon fibre brush first, so just pop it on, give it a few rotations, then take it to the spindle to remove any static. I'm not surprised by these results. There's still quite a lot of paper fibres left in the actual grooves. As it rotates you can see them. I had to use a flash on my camera because it shows it a bit better, and it was just hard to get a bit of focus, but you can see on the outer edges there it still remains. So next up we've got the felt pad brush. Just give it a quick spray with the solution, and the important thing is, because it has a large surface area, don't hold down too hard, otherwise the vinyl will stop spinning. So just let the weight of it sit on top, don't force it down. Again, give it a few rotations. Use the sides if you need to, get in a bit deeper, and then remove. So this is probably the best result you'll see. It did remove quite a lot. I'm actually quite impressed by how much it removed compared to the carbon fibre brush. As I spin, I couldn't really see any. Obviously it's a bit easier to see in person. I did find quite a few bits here and there though. But yeah, the outer grooves look a lot better. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually wrap the microfiber cloth in the felt pad, just so it's acting as a wedge and I can hold it a bit easier, like so. So I spray the compound onto the cloth, like so. And then again, just the weight. You don't want to be pushing down too hard. I don't think you're going to see much difference here because it's already, majority's been cleaned off by the felt pads. So as predicted, no real difference. I didn't think there would be. Still very clean though, which is good. There's a few bits and pieces, but I'm going to try it in the spin clean next, and that should get rid of the more surface sort of base stuff. So what I'm going to do is just going to flip it over quickly to show you a preview of the before and after shot. So this is side B that I haven't touched or cleaned at all. And as you can see, there is quite a lot of stuff on there. So just a quick comparison of before and after before the end of the video. Alright, the final cleaning test is a spin clean. Pop it in, rotate each direction 3 times as shown. I won't bore you with the whole process, I'll cut some pieces out. After the wash, you're going to want to dry it off. You can either let it air dry, that takes about 20 minutes, or you can lift it up, drain off the excess and dry it with the microfiber cloths. Now, as you'll see, the cleaner results of the spin clean are actually quite disappointing. I think it's the cloths themselves that leave behind all this dust, so what I'm going to do is give it a quick clean with the felt pad and see how we go with that. And of course the felt pad has cleaned that up perfectly, which backs up the results we'd found on the last few tests. So before and after results, you can see that there actually is a large difference, and I find the felt pad to be the best. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Cheers for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.